Watch out this amazing, ever-changing array of red, green, and blue lasers with big beams that penetrate deeper and farther distances and into foliage and surroundings, or light up homes and buildings of all sorts, is now available from lasersandlights.com with a remote control, so that you can choose to slow it down to a very subtle slow speed or increase the speed to a very fast pace where it looks like explosions of fireworks are going off. All of this available in this single projector from lasersandlights.com, the red, green, and blue big beam projector with remote control that gives you the ability to flash, change speed, to move speeds, and a variety of different effects in different colors. All of this from lasersandlights.com in a single projector. The red, green, blue big beam projector. Another way to decorate your home for holidays, parties, events, and venues of any sort.